How to get dark mode on Snapchat in iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Then simply tap on your avatar or Bitmoji at the top left corner of your screen, then navigate to your profile settings. Then tap on the settings icon available at the top right corner of your screen again and navigate to the settings again. Now there, scroll down and look for the app appearance option under my account. Then tap on the app appearance. There you will see the options like light, dark or custom. Simply tap on the dark. Snapchat will use the dark theme after you enable the dark mode. Once enabled, Snapchat will switch the dark mode theme, giving your app a more comfortable, darker interface for nighttime use. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.